Here we have Ethereum versus the dollar, and what do we have? We have the same range as before, baby, the same fucking range as before. But it's all good because staying within this range is going to be implied for a bullish resolution more long term. But as we said yesterday, probably not happening today or tomorrow or maybe even this week. Here's the thing though, as long as you're above about 39.50 to the downside, and below about 45.20 to the upside. Nothing new's really happened here, but this is going to be, again, implied as a bullish resolution, mostly because we do see that this whole correction is coming off of declining volume and also, or sorry, declining volatility and declining volume as well, actually. And this one's actually been one of the better actors in the cryptocurrency sphere, especially with the Ethereum Bitcoin pairing, which we'll go over soon enough. Anyways, daily RSI is, I mean, it's neutral really, but it is back above the exponential on that, so that is more on the good side. It's really splitting hairs here, by the way. 4 hour time frame, what are we looking like right here? Looks like it actually is trying to set in a higher low at the 4,300 level. So I would go as far as saying this: hey, if you do see a closure, can we use an hourly here? Yeah, we can use an hourly here. If you do see an hourly closure below 42.65 in this case, I would look for one more run at the bottom side of your range, somewhere around 4,000 to 4,100 or so. Kind of large, but yes, that's okay. Until then, this actually does look like a bit of a higher low on the short-term timeframes. We even do have a phantom drive of bullish divergence forming right here as well. So I probably would give this one a chance to pop back up first to 45.20-ish or so. Here's the thing though, if you can validate above 45.20, the same targets from before still apply. Short-term, over the next week or so, I'd be looking at a retest of your all-time highs at 4,800. Very likely a short-term pullback there, tries for a higher low somewhere, a little bit under there. However, long-term, upon validation above essentially 4,800, I do still look for the major targets at about 5,400 to 5,500 in the following weeks. That would look pretty damn good. Of course, on the other side, 39.50 to the downside, or is it 39.50? Yeah, about 39.50 to the downside. If you do close below there, I do look for this one to come down significantly. And when I say significantly, I mean 3,600 to 3,700 minimum. That look pretty damn bad. Again, this is on closing basis, but going over here to our trending charts, we do see basically the same thing. Monthly continues to trend above the top side trend band. We just had a correction down to the 9 exponential average. That is, fine as far as I'm concerned. And again, we do have the greater formation and technical target up to the 5,400 level. So that is technical target plus 1 spot 618 Fibonacci extension. So good confluence there as well. And if we do go over here and look at the Bitcoin pairing, I always want to focus back on this because this one's been just one of the easier ones, to be fair. And whenever you got something that's easy, well, fucking take it, man. Trading's already hard enough. So in this case, we do see the weekly did confirm its breakout alongside the 5-day, which we identified a little bit earlier than that, which does have technical targets up to about 9.5 million Satoshis. And this one is trending right now, actually. As you can see, it is trending above the top side trend band, and they are starting to open up. So volatility is expanding alongside trend continuation. And as we looked at yesterday, momentum is also increasing. Anyways, yeah, but after I get through this. Anyways, so I would be looking for a pullback after that target is met. However, upon validation above there, even on like a daily closure, I would be looking for the next set of targets to be activated. Shorter term in the next week or so, I'd be looking for 109. Longer term, I'd be looking for, and this is like months down the road, probably somewhere around here between about 0.16 to maybe even 0.19 region, which would be rather impressive. So I still think that those are active. And of course, in validation on this is actually the same as yesterday and the day prior and the day prior than that, which would be 7.75 million Satoshis. This one's trending right now on all time frames, though. Even the 4 hour is just trending right here. So all good in the hood on that one. Maybe we just briefly go over here. I just want to see volatility actually expanding on our BBWP. It should be, though, on the weekly. Let me just pop it out right there. Yep. Yes, indeed it is. Yeah, looking really, really good right there. Again, still playing out the hidden bullish evidence. So this is a massive macro technical breakout, which is good. All right, cool.